Right, so how are we getting on now, guys? Back in the wee house. So floated that out, had everything else already built out, all the small bits, not much to be done in here, just sort of in this corner, from this corner to that corner really, get that wee bit floated. Still have a couple of wee heads to pop off, and probably just, there's some plasterboard adhesive there, so I'll probably just dab them up, and that'll be that. Got this big wall here on, so we did. It's all straightened, and now it's pretty straight. I know that's only a wee small rule, but gives you a bit of an idea. The top, we'll have to sort of pull the top down straight, and then this bottom can be straightened both ways, as it's a lot neater. And just to show you, this here is a bit of the scud coat, and it's solid. It's a bit of the scud coat look, and we didn't get washed off and can't even get it off the wood, so we're gonna have to give that a good scrape at some stage. But it shows you how strong that scud is that I mix. She's upstairs here now, just in the middle of wrapping up. But yeah, so again, that's the thermal boards I was saying about. It's all boarded for us here, so we just need to beat it and put a coat of skim on. But this is the actual finishing work we'll get done. So this one came up rather well. My favourite colour. And got this wall beaded and the heads on. So this room only needs this done. Need to fill out, I don't know why there's tracks on them, but there is, so I need to fill them out. And again, all this room is more or less done, so if we can get that wall done tomorrow and cleaned up would be great. And again in here, be able to split this room up. It's looking brilliant already, if I do say so myself. Everything's good and solid. Everything that's loose was hacked off ourselves. It was pretty fun. But yeah, again in here, just the north and south walls really, and then out the hallway. Still quite a bit to be done, really. But yeah, it's looking good, and it's going to look really good when we get it all completely done. Ooh.
Echoes in eternity.